Musamseleku brought a new house for Macele because of his family, his kids and wives. Everyone is welcomed at Macele's house. But you see, Macele, she was not okay about what Musamseleku was said. Why Musamseleku didn't say the same thing to Mangwabe and Mayeni? When it comes to Mangwabe and Mayeni, Musamseleku doesn't anything to say about them. But to Macele and Makumalo, he want to give them some of the condition. To Makumalo, he said, when you can't accept Makwela, I'm going to punish you, what. To Macele says, when you don't welcome my family at your new home, what, I'm not going to buy that house. Macele and Makumalo, they can give some of the conditions. Why Musamseleku nowadays, he is much in love with Macele? Because Macele accept Makwela. If Macele did not accept Makwela, I don't think Musamseleku can buy a house for Macele, because Mayeni and Mangwabe, if they are stubborn or what, he can do something for them. He doesn't care or to complain. But when it comes to those two, because to Macele, Musamseleku, what I saw, he can give Macele attention because Macele listen to him. Macele is a good woman, what I saw. But when it comes to in love, Musamseleku, he is not much in love with Macele. Musamseleku love two women, Mangwabe and Mayeni. If Mayeni, she can be rude or something or what, he can't do anything. Musamseleku brought a house for Mangwabe and Mayeni. Those people, they are not talking to each other. They are not in good relationship. But Musamseleku tried to force himself to talk to them. But when it comes to Macele and Makumalo, he can give them some of the condition that when you don't accept Makwela, I'm not coming to your house, I'm going to punish you. Maybe if Macele didn't welcome Musamseleku's wives and say, I don't want to see them at my new house, Musamseleku didn't buy a house for Macele. Macele, guys, she can't be free sometimes because Musamseleku loves Macele, because Macele doesn't see that Musamseleku is using Macele. Imagine, guys, Macele was cooking for those kids after school. All those kids, Mayeni's kids and Mangwabe's kids, are at Macele's house. I don't know the size of the pot Macele can cook, because we saw even Mnini after school was eating at Macele's house. Guys, it's a very heavy, that woman, she is carrying very heavy load, Macele. I don't want to lie. Because everything is here, Baba. Even Makumalo was doing the same thing, but Makumalo says stop. Makumalo have power because Makumalo now, she have got her own money to buy her own properties, houses. Even Musamseleku didn't contribute. Makumalo can do her own thing, but Macele doesn't have power. Imagine, guys, Macele can't say what she want to say, can't do what she want to do at her time, because everything Macele have to say yes, yebo baba, everything. Even Mayeni saw Macele that Macele, she was not okay to welcome them at their house. And if you are not okay, you are not okay. But Msamseleku is the one who is forcing. Even about Makwela, Macele to accept Makwela, what. I don't think Macele want to accept, but she is doing for her husband. But if Macele, she have got her own money or an independent woman, can do whatever she want to do with her life. Because, guys, it's very heavy to that woman because she is carrying. Musamseleku gave Macele condition that if my wives and my kids are not welcomed, I told Macele that before he brought that house, that he want to brought that house, but his family, his kids and his wives are welcome at that new home. So I don't think that house is for Macele only. It's for family, what I saw. It's for the whole family. But when it comes to Mayeni, why he didn't say those words to Mayeni and Mangwabe? Because Mayeni and Mangwabe didn't pay any cent at those houses. Musamseleku was supposed to say the same thing to Macele, what he said. You guys, I remember Macele's word. She says, even Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are wrong. Musamseleku end up blaming Makumalo and Macele. Makumalo and Macele are giving the blame of those people. Even Mangwabe and Mayeni are wrong. Musamseleku didn't see. didn't see any they are doing. But when it comes to Macele and Makumalo,